Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss like operator in Microsoft SQL Server. The SQL Server like operator is used to match the given character in the specific pattern. A pattern can include the regular characters and wild characters. First of all, you need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Then I will create a database Metro Demo. Press F5. Okay, my database Metro Demo successfully created here, and then next I will use the Metro Demo. Okay, press F5 to execute the query, and next I will create a table, create table employee. Okay, with the 4 columns, emp id int, emp name varchar 50, emp city varchar 50, emp email varchar 50. Okay, select the query and execute the query. Okay, my table successfully created here, and next I will insert the 5 record inside the employee table. Use here insert into employee values 1 Matthew, Noida, Matthew @gmail.com, and select the query and press F5 to execute the query. First record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and then copy it and paste here. Write here 2 and Ram, Noida, Ram @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Second record inserted successfully, and then again paste here. Write here 3 and Mahesh, Delhi, and Mahesh @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Third record inserted successfully inside the employee table, and then paste here. Write here 4 Smith, and write here London, and Smith @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Fourth record inserted inside the employee table, and again paste here, and write here 5 and Monu, employee name, and Delhi, emp city, and Monu @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Okay, my 5 records successfully inserted inside the employee table, and press here enter, and next I will use the like operator here inside the select query. So right here select star from employee where emp name like within single quote right here m percentage. This code or query display the all records from the employee table where the emp name first character start with M. Execute the query. Look here, Matthew, Mahesh and Monu. Display here. The first character is M. If you will write the M after percentage, then it will display the emp name where emp name end with M. So select here and execute the query. Look here, the M character, the Ram end with M character here, so it will display the emp ID 2 with the name emp name Ram, and right here underscore M. It will display all the records where the emp name have M character at the second position. Select the query and execute the query. Look here, the M in the emp name is Smith at the second position. And delete it and right here H. This query display all the records where emp name start with M character and end with H character. Select the query and press F5, execute the query. Look here, the Mahesh start with M and end with H. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.